Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Costway Twin Tub and the Elevon QD M&E PWMGY 1G. In this video, we will dive into their features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're living in a dorm, apartment, or RV, finding the right washing machine can make a big difference in your laundry experience. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Costway Twin Tub is priced at $189 United States dollars, while the Elevon mini washing machine is significantly cheaper at just $77 United States dollars. This price difference is a crucial factor for many consumers, especially those on a budget. Let's see if the higher price of the Costway machine translates into better features or performance. The Costway machine boasts a twin tub design with a total capacity of 26 pounds, allowing for 18 pounds of washing and 8 pounds of spinning. In contrast, the Elevon mini washing machine has a smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds for washing. This difference in capacity could be a deciding factor for users who need to wash larger loads at once. In terms of functionality, the Costway machine features a built-in drain pump for easy drainage, making it convenient for users. On the other hand, the Elevon mini washing machine comes with a rotary timer controller, which simplifies the washing process. Both machines have their unique features that cater to different user needs. In conclusion, both the Costway and Elevon portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Costway offers a larger capacity and built-in features, while the Elevon is more budget-friendly and compact. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.